Hello friends, this video on matrices part 19 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 18. This example involves functions also. So the question says there's a fx matrix and we have to prove that fx into fy is equal to f of x plus y. So what do you think? What should be the approach to solve this question? Correct. The approach I think is, if we can find the value of left hand side by taking fx and fy and multiplying them and then trying to see if that is equal to the right hand side value. Generally, the general approach which you follow in most of the questions. So what we'll do, we'll take fx, we'll take fy, because fy is nothing but you replace all x with y, you get fy. Fx plus y is nothing but you replace x with x plus y with fx plus y. So what we can do is, since the LHS is not simple, it's complex, this is fx and fy, we'll try to simplify it and then see if it is simple is equal to RHS. If not, we'll try to do something else. But the first thing is, we should try to simplify the LHS. So what is fx? Is cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. What is fy? Same thing with y, cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So this is my fx and this is fy. So first we'll check if multiplication is possible. This guy is 3 cross 3, 3 horizontal, 3 verticals. This guy also 3 horizontal, 3 verticals. So this is 3 cross 3. The tail of this, head of this matches, yes. Multiplication possible. The final output will be 3 cross 3. So the final output will be of this form, C1, C2, C3. 3 cross 3 matrix. So we'll see that f of x into f of y will be of what? It will have 9 values, right? 3 into 3. So the first will be, you take this value, first row and first column, you multiply this and get the answer. So this guy will become cos x cos y plus minus sin x sin y, correct, plus 0 0 into 0 plus 0. First element done. Second element is this guy, first row, second column. So this will become cos x into minus sin y. So this can happen. This becomes cos x minus sin y cos x minus sin y minus sin x cos y. Plus 0 into 0 I can ignore. The third will be the first row and the last column 0 0 1, this one, that will become cos x into 0 0 plus minus sin x into 0 0 0 into 1 0. The second will be, this row will be C2 1. So this guy will be second row multiplied by first column. So that will be sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. That guy is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Plus 0 is, you can ignore also, you can write also. This guy will be C2 second of this and second of this, second row, second column. So it is sin x into minus sin y, sin x into minus sin y, and then cos x into cos y. and then 0 into 0. Sorry, plus 0. This guy will be second element of this and last element of, second column of this and second row of this. First is row and then we take column. So second row of this and third column of this set, Fy set. So this is sin x into 0 is 0 plus cos x into 0 is 0 and 0 into 1 is 0. For third, we take third row of this and first column of this, because this is 3, 3, 1. 0 into cos y is 0, 0 into sin y is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. Now for this element is C3, 2. It is third row, second column. That will become 0 into sin y is 0, 0 into cos y is 0, plus 0, 0. The last will be, you take the last row and the last column, multiply and add, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So this is my set. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is what? Cos x plus y. We know that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is cos x plus y. Here cos x minus sin x minus cos y into sin x. This is nothing but minus of sin x plus y, because sin x plus y is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and this is minus minus, so both are minus, so if you take minus common, this becomes sin x plus y. This becomes 0. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, again sin x plus y. This is sin x plus y. This guy is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. It's cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That is cos x plus y. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 1. If you don't remember what is cos x plus y, what is sin x plus y, then you can watch my video on trigonometry. There I have given a memory tip on how to remember this. I told cos x, cos is boss and boss wants to do things alone. So cos x plus y becomes cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That is cos boss minus son. Son wants to do things with boss always. So sin x plus y is nothing. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. I mean, I'm not explaining this here because again it will take some 20 minutes to explain this. If you want to remember cos x plus sin y or sin x plus sin y, all this formula easier, you can watch my trigonometry video. I think for class 10 or 11, you can watch those and you will get a clear picture and you can remember this formula very easily. I've given a very good memory tip for that. Now, going back to the same problem, this, if you see, is nothing but my f of x plus y. How? If you see, f of x plus y is nothing but this guy will come x plus y, cos x plus y, cos x plus y. Minus sin x will become minus sin x plus y. So this is minus sin x plus y. 0 will be 0. Sin x will be sin x plus y. So this is sin x plus y. Cos x will become cos x plus y, and this is cos x plus y. 0 is 0, 0 is 0, 0 0 and 1. So if you see, you compare these two, this is nothing but f of x plus y, and that is what we were supposed to prove, and hence we prove this. So what we have done, we have simplified the LHS, we have used the trigonometry formula and got LHS is equal to RHS. We'll take one more example. We have to show that the LHS is not equal to RHS. We are multiplying two matrices. This is, let's suppose, A, this is B, and this is nothing but B, and this is A. So we have to prove that A cross B is not equal to B cross A for this particular example. So let's do this. Let's find the LHS. LHS is nothing but A cross B. That is 5 minus 1, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4. The first thing we have to check whether multiplication is possible or not. This guy is 2 cross 2. This guy is also 2 cross 2. 2 horizontal, 2 verticals. So if you see the tail of this, head of this match, yes, multiplication possible. What is the final output? That will be 2 cross 2 only. That means that will be something of this form: C11, C12, C21, C22. Correct? So this guy is nothing but the first element C11. You take the row of this and column of this. You take row of this and column of this. So you add this 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. The second element is C12, first row, second column. That is 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. This guy is C21, that is second row, first column, that is 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3. This guy is C22, second row, second column, that is 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. So what you get here is 7 minus 3, sorry 10 minus 3 is 7, and this becomes 12 plus 21, that is 33. This guy is 5 minus 4, that is 1. This guy is 6 plus 28, that is 30. So this guy is my answer. This guy is my LHS. Let's solve RHS now. That is 2, 1, 3, 4 into 5 minus 1, 6. Here also we have to check whether multiplication is possible or not. Sometimes it is not possible. So let's check that. 2 into 3, sorry, 2 into 2, 2, 2 horizontal, 2 vertical. So this is also 2 into 2. The tail of this, head of this match, yes, it matches. So it is possible to multiply. So what is the final output now? It will be 2 cross 2 because the head of this and tail of this is 2 cross 2. So we'll have this kind of format only. So let's put the value here. C11, row of this, column of this, first row, first column. So that becomes 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6. The second one is C12, first row, second column, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7. This guy, second row, first column, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6. And this guy, 3 into minus 1, 4 into 7. So what you get here is 10 plus 6, 16, minus 2 plus 7, 5, 15 plus 24, that is 39, minus 3 plus 28, that is 25. This is my answer. So if you see this, it's 25. This guy is not equal to this guy. Both the guys are not same. This is 7, 1, 3, 33, 34. This is 16, 5, 39, 25. So I can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. And that is what I was supposed to hence prove. It's a very simple question. Just simplified the LHS, simplified the RHS, and we compared. We found that they are not equal. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.